Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that matters more than ever. How to stay strong, independent, and active in your 70s and 80s. If you think aging means slowing down, think again. In this video, I'll give you a practical, easy-to-follow plan that covers mindset, movement, balance, strength, nutrition, and safety. All designed for seniors who want to live fully and confidently. Here's what you'll get in the next 12 minutes. A clear weekly routine you can actually do, real exercise examples, no gym required, simple nutrition tips that preserve muscle, and a 2-minute strength routine at the end you can start today, even if you've never lifted a weight before. I'll also share the most important medical check to do before starting, and why balance practice is more powerful than you think. Stick with me. Later in the video, I'll show the one single habit that's helped hundreds of seniors keep their independence longer. It's totally doable. Ready? Let's begin. Section 1. The mindset. Strength begins with purpose. Before the reps and protein, let's start with mindset. Aging doesn't mean giving up, it means adjusting priorities. The strongest seniors share 3 attitudes: consistency over intensity, purpose-driven movement, moving for something you love, and small wins stacked every day. Pick one motivating goal: walking to the park, gardening, playing with grandchildren, and use that purpose to drive your routine. Later, I'll explain a 30-second ritual that makes the habit stick, even on low-energy days. Section 2. The evidence. What experts recommend. Short-sighted. Approximately 120 words. Here are the official recommendations you can build from. Most health authorities advise at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week, plus muscle strengthening exercises on 2 or more days, and balance work for those with mobility concerns. These guidelines are designed to maintain cardiovascular health, muscle mass, and reduce falls. And they're realistic when split into short daily sessions. Section 3. Movement basics, daily mobility. Start every day with mobility minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. These are simple, safe movements that wake up joints and nervous system. Ankle circles, knee bends to a chair, hip openers, shoulder rolls, and gentle neck turns. Mobility is not stretching for time. It's movement to improve function. Aim for 2 mobility sessions daily, morning and later in the day. Even standing while you brush your teeth counts. Practice these as a warm-up before strength or cardio sessions. Mobility helps reduce stiffness, improves balance, and makes strength work easier. If you have arthritis or pain, move in pain-free ranges and emphasize slow, controlled motion. Section 4. Strength training. Preserve muscle and power. This is the most important section. Muscle loss, sarcopenia, accelerates with age, but strength training reverses it. You don't need a gym. Body weight, resistance bands, cans, or light dumbbells work great. How often? Aim for 2 non-consecutive days per week of full-body strength work to start. Build to 3 times weekly if you tolerate it. 1 set of 8 to 15 reps per exercise is a valid start. Increase sets, weight gradually as you get stronger. Simple full-body routine. Beginner. Sit to stand from a chair. 8 to 15 reps, targets legs and balance. Wall push-ups, 8 to 12 reps, chest and shoulders. Seated row with band, 10 to 15 reps, upper back. Calf raises, hold the back of a chair, 12 to 20 reps. Marching in place with high knees, 30 to 60 seconds, light cardio and hip flexors. Progression tips. When an exercise feels easy for 12 to 15 reps, increase the challenge. Add a second set, slow the tempo, or use more resistance. Keep rest short, 60 to 90 seconds to maintain heart benefits. For safety, focus on slow, controlled movements. Don't sacrifice form for more reps. At the end, I'll share a 2-minute strength booster you can do anywhere to shock your muscles in a safe way. Perfect for busy days. Section 5. Balance and fall prevention. Falls are a major threat to independence, but they're preventable. Simple balance drills done 3+ days per week dramatically reduce fall risk. Start slow and always have support. Chair/wall nearby. Easy balance exercises, single leg stand, hold for 10 to 20 seconds each side, near a chair. Tandem walk, heel to toe, 10 to 20 steps. Clock reach, like stand and reach forward/side/back to imaginary clock numbers. If you feel unstable, add footwork drills and practice rising from the floor safely. The best programs combine strength plus balance. For example, sit to stand plus single leg holds. Evidence shows exercise programs focused on balance and strength reduce falls in older adults. If you've fallen before or have dizziness, consult your doctor for personalized guidance. Section 6. Cardio and endurance. Keep the heart happy. Cardio doesn't have to be long or brutal. The goal is movement that raises your breathing slightly. Brisk walks, cycling, swimming, dancing, or gardening count. Aim for 150 minutes per week of moderate effort, split into short sessions if needed, or increase intensity if you're already active. For beginners, try 3 times 10 to 15-minute walks a day and build up. Check your exertion using the talk test. You should be able to speak but not sing during moderate activity. Keep shoes supportive and choose non-slip surfaces. Section 7. Nutrition, protein, and recovery. Approximately 260 words. Strength training works, but it needs fuel. Older adults often need more protein than the general RDA to preserve muscle. Experts recommend about 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day for older adults, and slightly more if you're exercising regularly. Spread protein evenly across meals, e.g. 20 to 30 grams per meal, to boost muscle repair. Other quick nutrition tips: hydrate. Thirst sense can decline with age. Sip water frequently. Vitamin D and bone health. Talk to your doctor. Evidence on supplements and fall prevention is mixed and should be personalized. Protein sources: yogurt, eggs, lean meat, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and dairy are excellent. For those with appetite or chewing difficulties, consider protein-rich smoothies or fortified milk. Sleep and recovery matter. Aim for consistent sleep and schedule rest days between intense sessions. Recovery is where strength gains actually happen. Section 8. Safety, medical checks, and adaptations. Safety first. Before starting new exercise, if you have chronic conditions, heart disease, uncontrolled blood pressure, severe arthritis, or recent surgery, check with your healthcare provider. Start at very low intensity, track symptoms, dizziness, chest pain, breathlessness beyond expected, and adjust. Use assistive devices if recommended. If pain limits movement, prioritize low-impact exercise: water, cycling, chair-based strength. For seniors with mobility issues, seated strength or band work can build power without unsafe strain. Section 9. Practical weekly plan and 2-minute booster. Here's a simple weekly plan you can follow right away. Beginner week, example, MON. 10-minute mobility plus 20-minute brisk walk. Tuesday, strength routine: sit to stand, wall push-ups, band rows. WED. 10-minute mobility plus balance practice: single leg stand, tandem walk. THU. 20 to 30 minutes light cycling or walk. FRI. Strength routine, repeat, plus mobility. SAT. Active hobby day, gardening, dancing, 30+ minutes. SUN. Rest or gentle mobility and stretching. 2-minute strength booster, do anywhere. 30 seconds, sit to stand, as many good reps as you can. 30 seconds marching high knees, hold light band overhead if available. 30-second wall push-ups, controlled. 30 seconds heel raises, slow tempo. Do this booster 1 to 2 times per day on busy days. It protects muscle and balance without needing a full workout. You've got it. Mindset, mobility, strength, balance, cardio, nutrition, safety, and a practical weekly plan. The truth is simple. Small, consistent steps beat big, occasional efforts. If you try just one thing this week, do the 2-minute booster every day. It's small, achievable, and surprisingly powerful. Remember that single habit I teased? It's the 2-minute start. Begin every day with 2 minutes of movement, the booster. It tricks your brain into habit and usually leads to 10 to 20 minutes instead of stopping. Try it for 14 days and see the difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and comment. Tell me which exercise you'll start with. I'll post a printable PDF of the beginner routine in the description. Next video, I'll show chair-based yoga for flexibility and calm. Perfect if standing is tough. See you next time. Stay strong.